Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton. Bring on. No. Is he going to deliver speed? Oh, the claw. Cena delivering it. You got to be kidding me. How did he do it? Did he get it?
The finishing touches on this match.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Because
You gotta be kidding me! How did he do it? Did he get it? But a Lesnar who's fading away! Brock Lesnar is fading away! Wait a minute, look at this! Oh my God!
Looking to put the finishing touches on this match.
Way in hell, Jay can do this! To deliver speed. Oh, the claw!